So we're here just to have a look at how this forage corn basically gets harvested for silage. We've got the big class 960 Jaguar with the front on it here for cutting corn. We'll have a close look at it. You can see it's got the big spinning sawtooth, and this piece folds down so it's wider. You'll see that when it's running in a minute. And basically the crop gets gathered in and goes into the chain bed here and goes up through those rollers there, which crush the product down. So, and you can see the rollers, the material goes down in under those rollers there. So they're spinning and they're crushing the corn and cutting it all up as they go. You can see there's a cob sitting in there. The idea is to bust all those cobs up open so that the cattle can actually digest the material better. So this wheel spins that way, and this wheel spins this way, and you'll see it working when we get up inside the cab, hopefully while he's doing a run there. But big machine, not sure how many horsepower. It's up over 600, so it's working pretty hard when it's going. So this is the crop they're going to be cutting. So it's a variety of corn, perfect for cutting silage. They've done quite a bit of the paddock, but still plenty to go. This is one block, and there's another block way down the end. You can see right down there. And then up the hill here, there's another block to be done as well. So quite a few hectares to do. This is all going off this farm, and it's going to a farm about probably 50 kilometres away or up. Not that far as the crow flies, but a fair way down. So when the truck arrives, which is going to be shortly, they'll be back into it. So it's a bit of a delay between trucks at the minute. So here comes the truck. Chopper's getting in position, so we'll just watch. It's got the front folded down, ready to cut. Probably put the machine in gear, get ready to start going. And then the truck driver, which is Bruce, he'll get under the spout and start filling the truck pretty quick. So the machine's running. Controls the spout from inside the cab, so he can load forwards and backwards in the bin on the truck. Doesn't have to rely on the truck moving forward and back too much. Getting it wound up. So you can see the crop, very few weeds in the under canopy, and the machine takes the majority of the material off. And you got the cobs all of corn there. There is a bit of armyworm still about. Some of these cobs have got some armyworm in them, but yeah, quite sandy, the soil, because it's alluvial floodplain, so it's a bit damp on top, but the tractor and the truck seems to be getting through it okay. So we'll go around the other side and we'll watch the chopper come up the other lane. Just start to see the crop peeking up at the top of the front of the truck, so load the front of the truck first. keep the weight on the drive. So it's you can see it's actually those wheels are turning, pulling the cord in. We get a bit of rain on us here.